Hey everybody, this is a follow-up tutorial to our WooCommerce cross-sell pop-ups how-to guide that's on wppopupmaker.com. The main difference in today's tutorial is we'll be dynamically pulling in related products for a given product, and we'll put that into our cross-sell pop-up. Okay, here's a demo of what we're aiming for. I'll click on this product, a portrait of Jorge, black and white. And when I scroll down, we'll see that the related products, there are two, are at the bottom of this single product page. Now we want our cross-sell pop-up to display when we add to cart from the product page. And it should display just like this. The two related products are at the bottom of the product that I just added. Okay, let's check and make sure it's in the cart. There it is. I'm going to remove it to reset things for the next demo. One heads up about the method we're covering today is that it works for the product page and cart pages, but not the shop page. Plugins, we need Popup Maker, Popup Maker WooCommerce Pro, and a plugin called Related Products for WooCommerce because it comes with a handy short code that we need. Okay, let's look now at the behind the scenes of that demo at the beginning of the video. Okay, I'll edit the portrait of Jorge product, and I'm going to scroll down until I see the linked products settings. And there are a few ways to show linked products. I'm going to use the custom related products settings products field. After you install now the related products for WooCommerce plugin, you'll see a related products tab or menu item. Make sure working mode is set to custom related products. Scroll down. We could change the product's title. And below that, same category and same tag. I want to make sure that's unchecked because, again, I'm controlling the related products through those custom settings I set up in the product itself that I showed just before this. Okay, to the pop-up. So I know the product ID is 519, which is the same as the post type. And I'm going to use the first short code is from WooCommerce. The second one is from that related products plugin. So I'm going to give it some context. Hey, you added this product to the cart. Why don't you look at these related products too? In the trigger section, we have item added to cart. That comes courtesy of the Popup Maker Woo Pro extension. And the required product again is that portrait. So once that's added, Popup Maker knows to display this pop-up. I'm not going to use a cookie just for this demo. You may need to use one on your live site. We recommend going one step further using targeting. And here we're going to use another WooCommerce Pro feature. We're targeting the specific product page where this pop-up can show. So this pop-up doesn't load on every single page. You only need it on one page. And here's how you tell Popup Maker how to do that. All right, next up, let's make a brand new cross-sell pop-up so you can see each step that we need to do to make this happen. We're going to use this image of Speedy Cat, and you can see the related products are already there. And when I click Add to Cart, there is no pop-up. We get the confirmation message, and it gets added to the cart, but there is no pop-up. So we want to make that cross-sell pop-up. So let's get to it. Let's check out the product first. So this is a Speedy Cat product. I'm going to click on linked products below. And you'll see that in the custom settings here, custom related product settings, I have those two other images related, and we saw that earlier in the demo. So let's make a new pop-up. This is the original pop-up that we saw earlier. You can see that it's 519 is the ID for that product. Now, the new one we're going to make is going to be almost identical. We're just going to use the product ID for Speedy Cat. Okay, I'll click Create New Pop-up. Okay, here's the new pop-up. It's blank. I'm going to do some copy and pasting to speed things up a little. So copy and paste and change the product ID. And I could find the product ID easily if I just go back to the product and look at the URL there. Now I'll paste that product ID into the pop-up name. Go back to the original one, original pop-up, and copy and paste the title. Go back again, copy, and then I'll paste the content. I like to do this in the text tab, just old habit, because there are short codes there. And I'm going to copy and paste the product ID so I don't make any mistakes into the two short codes. And the first short code is from WooCommerce, and that shows the product that was added to the cart. Second one shows the related products. Okay, add a new trigger. We need to select item added to cart trigger. I'm not going to use a cookie for demo purposes again. And here's where we want to choose our product that will launch the pop-up. So we're going to look for Speedy Cat. Now, when we add Speedy Cat to the cart, it'll trigger the pop-up to display. I also want to add a targeting rule just to make things more optimized. So here I want to look for products selected, and that will allow me to load the pop-up only on the product page for Speedy. Okay, cool. Well, I'm just going to throw this in a test category. That's optional. We're good to go. So let's click Publish. Now the moment of truth. Here's our shop page. There's our Speedy Cat product. Click on that to drill into the product page. Add to cart. Pop-up displays. We could scroll down and we'll see the two cross-sell products. Awesome. Double check our cart, make sure the product's there, and there it is. Thanks for watching.